The global death toll of COVID-19 is over 916,000 with over 28 million cases. Now, the National Institute of Health funds a group that has released TV ads asking black people and Latino people to participate in vaccine trials. The ads are being aired on the BET network, the Oprah Winfrey Network, TV1, Telemundo, and Univision. The director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Dr. Anthony Fauci, would like to see about 37% Latino people and about 27% black people's participation in these COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials. So far, enrollment in early September 2020 for Moderna was 16% Latino people and 10% black people. At the end of August 2020, Pfizer's United States COVID-19 vaccine trial saw 11% Latino volunteers and 8% black volunteers. The United States population has about 14.7% black people and about 18.5% Latino people. Despite when combined, they make up less than half the population of the United States. They are expected to participate more to make up more than half of the vaccine volunteers. It is a classic case of victim blaming because these communities were disproportionately affected by COVID-19. It is not necessarily because of their behavior, but due to their socio-economic conditions which result in poor diet and little medical care, thus leading to underlying medical conditions. Minority volunteers enrollment is so low because of what the government did in the past. For example, the Tuskegee syphilis experiment that was done from 1932 to 1972 conducted over 40 years. This was done on a little more than 400 black sharecroppers in Macon County, Alabama. Many died. It was more like walking the plank than trying to help these men. The United States Public Health Service deceived the men, made them think that they were being treated. The men were even told that spinal tap was a treatment for syphilis. The state, the county, and local health officials were all in on it. They even got black health officials to do the recruiting because they would more likely be trusted by the men. Syphilis could have easily been treated with penicillin, which was around and known to work at that time. Even in 1947, when penicillin became the drug of choice to treat syphilis, the researchers offered none to the male subjects. Mistrust is also coming from what happened in Nigeria in 1996 at Kano's Infectious Disease Hospital. Pfizer carried out an experimental meningitis drug trial on about 200 sick children. The name of the drug was Trovan. This was done with allegedly oral consent from parents in the northern Kano state of Nigeria. 11 children died, 5 allegedly from Trovan, and 6 after allegedly taking ceftriaxone, which is an older antibiotic that was used for comparison outcomes. Other children suffered blindness, paralysis, brain damage, and deafness. Pfizer was sued and have settled, but maintain that it was meningitis and not its drug that was responsible for the injuries and deaths of the children. 4 families got $175,000 from the $35 million fund created for people that took part in the drug trial. $30 million will underwrite healthcare initiatives in Kano State, and $10 million will be allocated to pay the state's legal costs. The total settlement was $75 million in July 2009. In the second week of September 2020, the British pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca put a hold on its phase 3 COVID-19 vaccine trial. The pause happened after a woman in the trial became ill with neurological symptoms similar to transverse myelitis or inflammation of the spinal cord. This begs the question, are pharmaceutical companies being pushed too fast these days to get a COVID-19 vaccine approved? As always, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up, share, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Again, try to be grateful and think positive.